My name is Susan Key, and I just want to let everyone know what a pleasure it's been to work with Dr. Van Scoyoc's office. I have been coming here since I was referred by my regular dentist. I had some special situations that had to be dealt with, and they gave me such great care. And I was quite nervous when I came in, but after meeting with them and knowing what was going on, it helped me a lot to calm down. They treated me with expert care, I must say, and we went through all the procedures that I've had numerous times, just great. But I keep coming back because Patty is my dental technician here and does a great job to keep my teeth clean and takes great care of me. I could go to a regular dentist, but I wouldn't even consider it because they're so good here at Dr. Van Scoyoc's office. And I can only say great things about them. Anyone would be just great to come here and work with Dr. Van Scoyoc and Patty. And everyone else here is also very helpful. And if you're having problems thinking about maybe it's a little more expensive than someone else, well, they're experts, and that's why it's more expensive, but it's not that much and it's well worth it.